In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Microsoft Copilot onto your device. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity at work or streamline your personal projects, Microsoft Copilot is a powerful tool designed to assist you in various tasks. Let's dive in and get you started with the installation process. First, we need to access the platform where Microsoft Copilot is available. You have two main options here: the official Microsoft website or your device's app store. Both avenues will lead you to the same destination, so choose the one that feels most convenient for you. If you're using a desktop, the Microsoft website is likely your best bet. For mobile devices, opening the App Store is the quickest route. Once you've landed on the chosen platform, the next step is to search for Microsoft Copilot. Simply enter this into the search bar. As you type, options will likely begin to populate your screen, but keep an eye out for the official Microsoft Copilot application. This ensures that you're downloading the legitimate app rather than any unofficial versions. Now, with the correct app displayed on your screen, you'll notice a button labeled Download or Get. This is your green light to proceed. Clicking on this will initiate the download process, and you'll see a progress bar indicating how much time remains until the download is complete. Depending on your internet connection, this could take a few moments, so feel free to sit back and relax while technology does its thing. With the download complete, the next step is installing the app or add-in on your device. This is a crucial phase as it sets up Microsoft Copilot so you can begin using it seamlessly. Typically, once downloaded, your device may automatically prompt you to begin installation. If not, you'll need to navigate to your Downloads folder or App section where new downloads are stored. Click on the app and follow any on-screen instructions to begin and complete the installation. Don't worry, the prompts are generally straightforward and guide you through the setup quickly. Once the installation is finished, it's time to open the app. The first screen you'll encounter will prompt you to log in with your Microsoft account. This step is essential to gain access to all the features Microsoft Copilot has to offer. Enter your account details carefully to ensure everything is correct. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you'll need to create one. This is recommended because it opens up a suite of features that will enhance your experience with Microsoft Copilot. And there you have it, folks. You are now ready to use Microsoft Copilot on your device, explore its functionalities, and see how it can make your tasks more efficient and innovative. Thank you for